we're about to take this off right here, this PRB. We're about to put an RBC on this thing. Hopefully he cut it right in the fit.
It should fit.
It should. One of these skunk tooth things, you got to cut off right here. Then you got to cut the RBC to fit, make it fit. I've been telling him you got to cut it. He ain't believe me.
I told your ass that shit. No, you don't, man. Like, nigga, yes you do.
Well, I've been telling him, but yeah, he got it. He cut it right here. We just gonna have to clean it up. He was gonna try to port match it and all that, but he got a new throttle body and all that. But hey, this is how you take off this this TPS when you rich, but you too cheap to go buy another one. You're gonna put two little slits, for one slit here and another one over here, and then you're gonna use a flat tip screwdriver and you're gonna screw it out. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, but I ain't gonna show y'all because, like, I don't know if that's visible or not, but that's what you do right there. Put the little slit in top of the screw right there. Flathead fit right in there. Take out the TPS.
Winner, winner.
We ended up getting it on here. It was kind of like a pain because there's some little stuff that we had to do, had to take care of, but we ended up getting this on here. You got to put this little plate right here. Got to put the fuel rail back in, but we'll do that tomorrow. Here's the old one, old PRB. We ended up taking this one out, and that's the old gasket. Put a new gasket. We couldn't get a titanium stud right there, so we just got the other stud on the other three, one right there. But it's coming together, pimp.
Hell yeah, baby. Shit, this shit just get me anxious.
And you put new headlights in there. Get new headlights on it.
So you saying so with the turbo kit, I shouldn't go sidewinder, huh?
I wouldn't do a sidewinder. I'd do like a little
the regular log shit?
Yeah, not log, but you get a fucking, they still make them like ram manifold. Not ram, but like a top mount. I wouldn't do, you put a sidewinder, it looks good when you open your bay. Yeah, something happened to your transmission, you got to pull that whole shit out.
Oh yeah, that nigga engine bay do look fire.
It looks fire for sure, but
yeah, like now he got to pull all that shit off.
Exactly.
Oh well. Appreciate you, my guy. I'm gonna go do this show, man. The gang just.
All right, man. I'm gonna clean this up and bounce. Here's Mr. Big Turbo soon,
bro.
Sheesh. Nah, this shit is clean, bro. This thing right here, dirty. Dirty as hell. I haven't washed it in like 2 weeks. I need to go ahead and get the Ecutech and just go ahead and tune it because I got the DME unlocked. I just need to go ahead. I want to get a new lip, but man, I need to find that lip and chop carbon right here. I'm gonna get a wing for sure. Chop carbon like this one. I got those for steel. Want to get this kind. Chop carbon. See that? Yeah. Don't worry, that means he'll sleep early tonight.
Hell no, dog. You don't know that, bro.
I don't know why, bro. I'm not putting the front plate on this motherfucker. Here, you can hold the GoPro.
I hold the GoPro.
I'm gonna take you for a ride.
I'm gonna need some footage though.
Huh? You gonna need footage?
I need footage, so
Right, yeah.
I got you.
It's a stock car, man.
That's totally stock.
Yeah. It's dirty. Not as bad as the Honda. Oh God. You got your ID card with you?
Yep.
I checked.
Go down towards what's called turn.
the roof in here?
I think your seat could go down more or less.
No, don't. That's fine.
You're tall as shit though. Like 6'3"?
About 6'1".
6'1"? Nah, you're taller than that because my son was. You're about the same height as my son, and he's taller, like 6'2".
That is cool. I like it in here.
What?
I said I like it in here.
I like it. I love it. Probably one of like my favorite cars I ever owned. First, like the Evo was fucking nice too. I'm gonna build my other Evo, so it'll be nice.
Can't wait to finish the Civic too. That'll be nice.
Make a K series, man.
I'm doing a Franken build.
Let's just do a K series. It's dirty too. I haven't washed it in a while.
I hear pop noises. That's always a good sign.
Pop.
You're gonna have to send me some footage.
With the videos?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I could just do them on my phone. You can really, I don't know, you can really feel the torque in this.
You really can.
This is a smooth car. I used to have like a lot of beaters.
The suspension's
Oh, look,
nice. I
yeah.
noticed that. Oh, look, another Supra.
You got exhaust and shit on this. It's a silver one too. This shit look nice. Like,
It's like-
you can't deny it. Like, this shit look nice. I just love the way they, like the entire body of the car.
Looks thick.
Exhaust is nice. That shit looks good though.
I'm starting to see, like, it looks like it's white right now. I can tell. I know it's gray, but it looks like it's white.
That one?
Yeah.
I thought it was white when it was coming up here. I think that's the Asian kid from base. Is it? I think, I don't know. He's a tanker, I think.
That pilot was about to fall off the good.
Looks like the red in the Supra.